How to download anime on Crunchyroll for offline viewing in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how to save episodes directly to your device so you can keep watching even without internet. If you travel often, deal with slow connections, or just want uninterrupted anime watching, this setup only takes a few minutes. First, make sure the Crunchyroll app is installed on your phone or tablet. Offline downloads are available through the mobile app, so this will not work from a regular web browser on a computer. After opening the app, sign into an eligible premium account because downloads are not included in the free plan. Next, search for the anime series or episode you want to save. Once the episode page opens, look for the download icon near the episode details. Tap it once and Crunchyroll will start downloading the episode directly to your device. If you want better video quality, it helps to connect to Wi-Fi first because higher quality downloads can use more storage and mobile data. Before downloading multiple episodes, open the app settings and check the download options. This is where you can adjust video quality and storage preferences. Choosing lower quality saves space, while higher quality gives a clearer picture but takes up more memory. If your device is running low on storage, changing this setting can make a big difference. After the download finishes, go to the offline viewing section inside the app. That area stores all saved episodes in one place, making them easy to access later without searching again. Simply tap the episode and start watching, even if airplane mode is turned on or there is no connection available. There are also a few important things to remember. Downloaded episodes stay inside the Crunchyroll app, so they cannot be moved to another video player or transferred like normal files. Some shows may also have download limits depending on licensing availability. To avoid playback problems, it is a good idea to open the app online occasionally so the downloads can stay updated and verified. For anyone watching anime during commutes, flights, or unstable internet connections, this feature makes a huge difference. Open the Crunchyroll app, sign into a premium account, tap the download button on an episode, and your anime is ready to watch offline within minutes.